In this video, I'll show you how to book a room in Agoda for a day. So when you're on the Agoda home screen, you'll notice the option here that says Day Use. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that, and that'll bring you to the screen here. Now you can just click on Day Use or Overnight if you need to stay overnight, and then choose your location, choose your dates, choose your start time, and then choose the amount of rooms and adults or children that are going to be staying. And when you're ready, hit search. Now it looks like in Pretoria, they only have two options here. So I'll just choose the first one. And in here, we can see all the details about this place. So when you're ready, you can just click on choose my room and you can just hit book on whichever room you want. And then over here, you are going to choose your end time. So remember, your start time was chosen in the beginning, and you only have 6 hours available. Otherwise, if we wanted longer, we should have chosen overnight. Anyhow, then you'll just hit select. And from there, it'll take you to the payment processing section. Or if you haven't put in your details, you'll need to put in your details and you'll be able to book the flat, and they will send you a confirmation email. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.